Hello, hello, hello. This is Els coming to you from Beamish Crafty Corner, and I went on a scavenger. I did. It was Monday, and I went on a scavenger. I did not go to Savers. I did not go to Savers because the line was way down there, and I wasn't going to stand in line because I'm lazy like that. Well, no, because I'm not going to stand in line to go into a store at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So, I went scavenger elsewhere. Let's see what I got. So the first thing I grabbed was this bag of pencils, colored pencils, and I'm pretty sure they're cheap pencils, but that isn't why I grabbed the bag. I grabbed the bag because it was cheap to begin with, and it was 50% off because of the colored tag. And inside of it, in the bag, was one lone Royal Graphite. And this was worth more than what I paid for the bag. So I grabbed it. Because my daughter will love that. So I'm going to give these to my daughter. Yep. Giving them to the kid. What else did I find? Well, I found this. So, these are paper bags. You like that sound? And these were in there, and these are 6x9s, and I kind of like these, and I don't know, they'll probably end up in the hag's dye vat. Into the cauldron they shall go. Most likely. Not these, though. They're animal print. She won't play with those. Then I found this. This is one of those little check organizer things. And I thought, you know, this might be cool to use because I've been trying to find a way to put like some of my bling in it so I could just have some of my bling but not all of my bling. And since this thing is expandable, I thought this will hold my bling. So I grabbed it, and the elastic was broken, but that was okay because we just got a button piece of elastic and I fixed it. Now it works just fine, see? What else? I found some of these hole reinforcers. It was like 49 cents for this thing, so I grabbed it because I use these all the time. So I grabbed those. I grabbed this bag, and the reason I grabbed it was because I saw this little bit hanging out, and I was like, oh, okay, let me see what that is. And on the back of the package, I kind of got, you know, this part, and I was like, what is that? So I wanted to see what it was, so I grabbed it. So what I got was, these are notebooks. They're mini notebooks. So there's one that says Bee's Knees, The Bomb, Sweet Petunia, all that, and then some Sugar Plum. But I like the cover, so I grabbed it. And then there was these two little books in there, and this one, which is a magnet. It says, good friends are like stars. You don't always see them, but you know they're there. So it was a magnet, so I grabbed that. And then I saw this little package, and I said, those are cute. What are they? And, you know, well, I had to get it. It was in a bag. So these are bags. There was a bag full of bags. And it had these little bags in it. And these little bags are cute. And they have flowers printed on both sides. And they're just little twist tie bags, you know. And they got these little phrases on the front of them. Wish you always be filled with happiness. They're from China. What do you expect? But I grabbed them because I thought they were stinking cute. And I might use them for something. Who knows? Maybe Happy Mails or something. But I liked them. So I grabbed them. Because, you know. That's what I do. I grab stuff. Especially when people are in front of me and they don't want to move. And then it's like, I gotta have that stuff. Move. And as soon as they move, then I rush in and grab what I want it. And sometimes I walk out with stuff I really didn't want. But, you know, I get it anyway. But my buy of the day was definitely this. I found a pack of Authentique. Now, I'm pretty sure this came with a 6x6 pad and like some cards or something. But there's 8 pieces of paper in here. And there's a whole set of stickers. So these are all stickers. And then there's 8 double-sided sheets of paper. And I thought, well, that's kind of cool. You know, it's a brand new pad of Authentique. And, you know, it was really inexpensive, so I grabbed it. And I brought that home. So that's what I got on my little mini scavenger today, which really wasn't a scavenger. It was more of a, I'm really super frustrated, and I just need to go and do some retail therapy. So I grabbed some stuff at the store. That's it. That's all I got, guys. Listen, until I see you again, if you haven't done so already, do me a favor and hit that red button for me, like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends. Till the next time, guys. Bye-bye.